Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and it's giving you a capital O or zero, small r error, and you're wondering what this error is and is there anything you can do to fix it. So I have a little bit of bad news here. This is not an easy error to fix for just a homeowner. It's not a localized error to somewhere like a drain or an intake error or something like this. This is so this is an operational error. It's an operational error somewhere within the machine that's not localized that you're going to need a technician to take a look at. The only thing that I would recommend that you do before you call somebody is to perform a hard restart on the washing machine. So turn it off and then disconnect it from power. So either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the breaker and leave it unhooked for a full 5 minutes. Then restore power, turn it on, try to run your cycle again, and then that'll clear out the error. Hopefully it doesn't come back. If it does, you're going to need to call a technician because there's something fried in there somewhere, and he's going to have to figure that out. But anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.